I'm probably gonna set off the smoke alarm with this thing. Trying to get some crisscross. And my little sticky. The sticky. Alright, I'm gonna finish these off in the oven because I don't like babysitting fried food. And I got a sauce to make. You guys wanna come closer? Come closer. Uh-oh. I let my pan get too hot. I can't even see the pan. Let me stop playing if I have a fire. Ooh. Leave it. Come here. Okay, put these in the oven. I'm just trying to get some grill marks on them. And then I gotta make a sauce, and I'll be done. Okay, this pan is popping all over the place. It's gonna be too hot. It's gonna be sweet. I need to make room for this pan, but it will sweet. I really love this pasta. Look at that, guys. That is all the work of the homemade pasta. But listen, it's not over yet. So this, I'm going to slide you guys back. Get this in here in my strainer, which is right here next to the stove, because I have one more batch. Oh, this is long pasta. It's too much, ain't it? I don't know. I'm done. I know, right? They're too much. All that dramatics. I gotta go to the sink with it. So hold on. Be careful, here got my fire alarm. I'm sorry that thing ain't went off. What did they do to it? It's staying in the kitchen. Turn the fan on. What am I? I turned it on. Oh. I'm done. Last of my pasta. No, it's not the last of the pasta. I'm gonna keep this pasta water. I love the pasta water. I'm gonna keep the pasta water. I got one more thing. I gotta make sure that I made the linguine kind of as a backup in case my ravioli. Fry it? I don't think so. I mean, you can, I gotta boil it a little bit just to get the egg cooking in it. But then you toss it in a little bit of oil. That's what he said on the thing. Bring that back to a boil. That's a lot of starch on there. I don't want to start from scratch on that, do I? Here comes the true test. All right, so I'm gonna hit this off with a little bit more oil and salt. All right, that was loud enough. That was an experience, okay? Whew. Just wait until I become a pro at it. Then it's gonna get better. Just wait. And then I'll be able to compare. I'll have a before and after. All right, I'm gonna put these bad boys in the oven. Let those finish off in the oven. Ooh. Okay, pepper. Ooh. Hold a teapot. You done seen better days. Okay. 2 swigs of pepper. Bringing our water back to our pasta water back to the boil. And then linguine, whatever you call it. Ooh, child. That little old lady got me beat. Why does that thing say recording? What's going on with you? Phone jacking up. I gotta wash my aprons. I have really done a job today. Ugh. What in the world?